like young people now like to jump. After office, they change, di ba? You see them before PGC, they always like to run. They go back to work after that, nag-gym pa. So what do you think? Will they still have energy the following day? They need to be able to cover for supplementation. So it's important that you know your needs. Now, why is it important to have a blood check? Because you don't know how much is much. I mean, you just don't pop it. Do I need 1 tablet? Do I need 2 tablets? 3 tablets? Who is to say? So you really have to know. And a lot of people don't know that they're sick because they never had a checkup. And very basic on CBC. A complete blood count is like now something that you can do. You don't need. It's obvious that you just need to be aware. Like me as a doctor, I don't campaign na, kailangan punta ka sa doctor to have a CBC. No. Maybe get the basic information. Have a blood count. Have a urinalysis. And from there, work your way in.
What are alternatives for